Jai Sanskar. In this segment, we are going to discuss about electromagnetic spectrum. There is a different kind of electromagnetic wave which are differentiated on the basis of from which source it is generated and how is their behavior, or obviously from frequency ranges. So, we are going to learn first of all about radio waves. They are produced by accelerated motion of charges. Frequency ranges from 500 Hz to 1000 MHz. Amplitude modulated radio waves ranges from 530 kHz to 1710 kHz. Short wave band falls in 54 MHz, while TV waves are of range 554 MHz to 890 MHz, while frequency modulated radio waves ranges from 88 MHz to 108 MHz. Cellular phone used for voice communication use ultraviolet high frequency waves for transferring the voice messages or voice communication. Next is microwaves. Microwaves frequency ranges in certain gigahertz. They are produced by vacuum tubes. There is klystron, gun diode. These all plays an important role in the formation of microwaves. Since they are having short wavelength, they are used in radar system as well as in aircraft navigation. Radars also provide basis for speed guns for different purposes like tennis ball serves or automobiles. For all that purpose, these speed guns are used. Next is microwave frequency. So in microwave, the frequency, microwave oven, that is a domestic device, in that frequency of this microwave set in such a way it equals to the resonant frequency of water molecule. So anything which is containing water inside it can be used, can be cooked. Next is infrared waves. First, these infrared waves are produced by hot bodies or hot molecules. This infrared band lies in electromagnetic spectrum in adjacent to lower frequency or long wavelength end of visible spectrum. They are also called heat waves because water molecules which are present in our environment absorbs the infrared waves. There are even carbon dioxide, ammonia, all water molecules even in a material absorbs infrared waves. And due to that there is an increase in the atmosphere, that means increasing in the heat. In the physical therapies, infrared lamps are used. The greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is because all the molecules which are present in air has this ability to absorb visible light, and after absorbing this light they radiate infrared light, and this infrared light then is a reason for increasing the temperature of the surface of earth. Infrared detectors are used in earth satellite. So in earth satellites these infrared detectors are used. This serves two purpose. First is for military purpose. कोई other country जे છે એની અંદર nuclear weapons to propulsion કે એવું કંઈ આપણે observe કરી શકીએ, and to observe the growth of crops. Okay. And in electronic circuits, this infrared light are also used. For example, in LED, which is light emitting diode, so it emits infrared light. This is the same thing that you can observe in remote, even in mouse of the computer. There is an infrared light which is also an example of infrared waves. So that's all for now. Thank you.